Can twins really feel each other's emotions? Can they really know each other's thoughts and feel what's going on with each other? I asked my twins this exact question. Okay, here's a question people ask a lot about twins. Mm-hmm. Can you feel your sister's pain or emotions?
No. No, but I have sympathy for her.
You have sympathy for her?
Empathy, whatever you call it.
You have sympathy and empathy for her?
Yeah, because, I'll, no. Even though it hasn't happened to me before,
You feel like you want to comfort her?
No, I don't.
No. Okay, this is a question lots of people ask about twins. Mm-hmm. They want to know, can you feel your twins' pain or emotions?
Not exactly. I mean, I can kind of, I feel sorry for her, but not really.
So there you go. You have the truth. There's no hocus pocus, no literal connection between your twins. So as a parent, I want you to remember 3 important principles. Number 1, your twins do not have an inherent connection between the two of them. They can't sense each other's emotions or thoughts. So don't assume ever that that's the case. Number 2, your twins don't have a direct connection to each other's brain, but they do have a shared life experience. They've been together since the womb. And so a lot of things that they have experienced have been together, and as such, they don't necessarily have to communicate to each other. They know what each other's thinking because they've been in the same situation more often than not. And number 3, your twins have a special bond. Because they've spent so much time together since their time in utero, they have a special connection with each other. So encourage that. If they enjoy spending time together, let them spend time together and help them develop their relationships even more. So I hope you found this video helpful to give you a little bit of insight into what it means to be a twin from a twin's perspective. If you found this video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Yep.
And subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos about parenting twins, tips and tricks for helping your twins and being the best twin parent you can be. Also, if you want to check out some of these other videos for tips and tricks on how to parent your twins, go ahead and give those a little clicky. Otherwise, leave a comment below on what's the most interesting thing you learned about being a twin from the answers my daughter shared today. So until next time, we'll see ya.
Bye!